Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. Now, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications. So let's do something like this. Swipe down again to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you will see battery saver. For me, it's right here. Once you find it, simply tap on it. This will bring up a notification letting you know that battery saver will, battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So let's select turn on, and I'm going to quickly go into the more important ones, or well, one of the most important ones, which would be the network connections. So with this, the device most likely disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device, so when it's in sleep mode, which this would be considered sleep mode. So after a moment it will disconnect from both of these networks, and because of that you most likely won't be receiving any kind of notifications from apps that require some kind of network connection. And just to name a few, emails obviously, so Gmail and so on, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and could continue more. But a lot of apps obviously require internet connection, and if you're finding out that some apps haven't been delivering your notifications in time, or like after specific 10-20 minutes later, or just not at all till you interact with the device, then it's fault of the power saving mode. Now anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by just finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and it's now off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.